Good morning, dear students. In the previous video, we had completed Expert Detectives Part 1st, in which Maya and Seven was trying to find out the realities of Mr. Nath. So let's begin with second part. I wrote in large block letters. That was the undeclared holiday they got. Both the kids got due to the heavy downpours. Now they were just passing time. What he wrote, catching a crook. Expert detectives Nishad and Maya Pandit by appointment to the whole world. Now he is just writing about the case, what they were trying to work on. Then I began writing. About half an hour later, I turned towards Seven, who was lying on his tummy, chin cupped in his palms, reading comics. This writing was done by Maya. Maya has started writing about the crook, about Mr. Nath, and she had given it a title, Catching a Crook. And she was writing about Mr. Nath, that how they were doing work on that Mr. Nath catching because he was a crook. And now when she saw towards Seven or her brother Nishad, he was lying on his tummy side as it is given in the picture, and he was just passing time by reading comics. Want to hear what I have written? I asked. Now Maya wanted to ask Nishad, did he want to hear what Maya had written? He looked up questioningly. I have listed all the facts we know about Mr. Nath, which might help us to trap him, I said. Want to hear? Now Nishad looked towards Maya with a question mark, and Maya said, I have noted down on a sheet how many facts we know about Mr. Nath, and that will help us to know more about Mr. Nath. Seven nodded, meaning Seven also agreed with this point. She said, do you want to know those facts, what I have noted down that we know about Mr. Nath? Fact number 1, I read, his name is Mr. Nath. We must discover his first name. She said, we know that his name is Mr. Nath, but we don't know what is his first name. His last name, Nath, is known to them. So this is the target work she has left for her. Do you think that's his real name? Maya Nishad asked. Nishad asked, generally the cheater have so many names. So do you think, Maya, that he had only one name? Mr. Nath is his real name? Probably not, I said. Most crooks have an alias, meaning an alternate name. Maya said, no, we cannot say because most crooks have their alternate names as well. I added a big question mark after Nath, meaning now the name is also not clear because she added a big question mark after Mr. Nath. Fact number 2, I read on. The tenants at Shankar House say he's mad, strange and unfriendly. This is the thing she could get about Mr. Nath. That is, he, according to his neighbors, tenants, he is not friendly. He is strange. This thing Maya collected. Number 3, he does not talk to anyone and is mannerless. This is the another discovery what Maya could have about Mr. Nath, that he is a mannerless person. But he did talk to us, Maya, and Mama say he is very polite. Nishad interrupted. But Nishad has a little bit soft corner for Mr. Nath, and he said, Maya, you cannot say that he is so unfriendly because he talked with us, and moreover Mama also says that he is very polite. So we cannot say that he is a friendlyless person. He only talked to us because he had to, I said. And since he was under Mama's medical treatment, he had to be polite. She said, no, his nature is not so good, but he had to talk to us because our mama, his medical treatment is going on. That is why he had to talk to us. And moreover, he is polite with mama because everybody would feel politeness towards one's doctor. Fact number 4, he does not receive any letters. 7 noted. Fact number 4 is that nobody writes any letter to him. And dear children, this is the story of that time, where that time phones were not so common. So people used to write letters to each other. And 7 agreed with this point, that nobody writes anything for him. Number 5, he has been living in room 10 of Shankar House for more than a year. I continue. Another fact what she could collect about Mr. Nath is he was living in a rented house for continuing with 1 year. Number 6, he doesn't work and sits in his room all day. This fact they collected, that he is not working anywhere and every time he is remaining in his room only. Number 7, the kids in Shankar House and even some of the grown-ups are scared of him. Meaning he is not friendly, so the kids and most of the grown-ups are also scared with him. They are afraid of him. Number 8, he has no visitors except for a spectacled fair fat man who visits him on Sundays for lunch. Now this is number 8 point she had collected about Mr. Nath, and she is noting down so that it would be helpful for her to continue the investigation, that no other visitor is coming to his home, only one fair fat man comes, that is the spectacled one. Number 9, food and tea are taken to his